Hello, this is my demonstration of chess made in Pygame, which is a module for Python. Um, so this is the game. It doesn't have a menu yet. The menu button just restarts the game, like the restart button. Um, but yeah, so let's go into what it can do. Uh, it has all the pieces right now. It starts with the starting position, and right now it's white's turn, which you can see from this turn counter. And so if I select a white piece, it only gives me the moves that that piece has, and I can't make a move that's illegal for that piece, right? Okay, well that one, yeah, but right, like I can't make an illegal move. Um, and so say I move, then the turn counter turns to black. So now it's black's turn, and we'll go. And as you can see, it just functions normally like chess. It has castling, both king side and queen side. We'll have black queen side castle. Um, So it has kingside and queenside castling. You can't castle out of check, so it does have check recognition. Um, we'll just make some silly moves right now. Right, so now he's in check, and he can't castle, right? These are his only available moves. So you can't castle out of check, and then it also, when you're in check, that changes all of the available moves for all of the pieces. So this guy can only go here. Well, he can only go there normally. But this guy can only go here or here. See, he can't go there because that would not fix check. Or that guy can go there. So then we make a move, and now I can castle. Um, you also, just like how using the same code that makes it so that you can't, when you're in check, you can't make a move that doesn't get you out of check. You also can't put yourself in check, which is helpful, right? So I cannot take this piece now because that would put myself in check. If I move this piece, then look, now I can take it. So this piece has castling, it has check um, detection. It doesn't let you make moves that put yourself in check. It doesn't let you make any illegal moves. Um, it does have checkmate detection. Um, let's do that right now. Right, white wins. We'll do the same for black wins. Let's see, what else does it have? It has en passant. Uh, so if I move this guy, so how en passant works is if this guy moves 2 and this pawn is right next to it, then it can take in passing as if this pawn had only moved 1. So en passant. However, if you choose not to en passant, if I don't en passant that turn, then that means that you can't en passant the next turn. So see, so now I cannot en passant anymore, which is how the regular rules of chess work. We have pawn promotion. So if I get here, then I have this pawn promotion menu, which lets me pick any of these to promote to, or you can cancel, which will put you right back. Let's say I want to promote to a queen, and now this is a queen. And now this piece will behave how a queen does. It is now a queen completely. So now it can make any of these moves. Let's see what else. It does have draw detection. There are a few ways to have a draw in chess. I won't show them all because some of them take a while to set up. One of them is stalemate detection, which is where it's a player's move. The player does not have any legal moves, and he's not in check. If he was in check, it would be checkmate, but if he's not in check, then the game is a draw. So it detects that. It has insufficient material stalemate detection, which means that neither player has enough material to checkmate. So king versus king, or king and bishop versus king, or king and bishop versus king and bishop, etc. it will automatically just make it a draw if that happens. Um, the 50 move rule, where if 50 moves pass without a pawn being moved or a piece being captured, if 50 moves go by with neither of those happening, then the game will be a draw. And then it also has threefold repetition. So if the same game state appears on screen 3 times at any point during a game, then the game will be a draw. So I can show that really quick. Right, that's the second time. This will be the third time, and it's a stalemate. So that is about it. I can't really think of anything else. It has kingside castling, it has queenside castling. You can't castle out of check. You can't castle through check. So if I do this, like this, then see he can't castle into check either. I already showed how you can't castle out of check, but he also can't castle into check. And then likewise, I can't even castle now because I can't castle through check. See, I would be castling, I would be moving through this square. Yeah, it has queenside castling. So yeah, it was a lot of fun to make. So cool. Thank you for watching.